Look no further than the 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 150,000 miles on the odometer. Get the best of both worlds in this versatile, capable Avalanche. A thoughtful blending of pickup utility and SUV comfort and convenience are yours in this stylish, family-friendly truck. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated and/or cooled front seats, keyless entry, navigation system, sun, moonroof, heated driver's seat, backup camera, power passenger seat, premium sound system, fog lamps, heated mirrors. Style and function blend beautifully in this can-do Avalanche. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.